Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to describe you about the event that is Dentart 2021, which is conducted by Dentistry to the Point. So this event is mainly conducted on the occasion of completing 10,000 subscribers on a YouTube channel that is Dentistry to the Point. In this event we are going to have various competitions as well as YouTube live webinars by national as well as international speakers. To know all the details of the event, sit back and relax and do watch the video till the end. Starting with the description or the details of the event, for those who are watching me for the first time, I am Dr. Drumil Manik, co-founder of Dentistry to the Point. We make dentistry easier, simpler and interesting for the students. Till now, if you haven't subscribed our channel, do hit that subscribe button and also don't forget to press the bell icon beside it so that you get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And also do follow us on our Instagram handle, that is Dentistry to the Point. So this event Dentart 2021, it is going to be a 2-day event which will be held on 29th as well as 30th May. So on the very first day of event, that is 29th May 2021, we are going to meet you live on YouTube at 6 p.m. in the evening, starting with our very first event of the competition, that is Just a Minute. In this event, we are going to provide participants with any one topic on the spot which will be regarding dentistry, and on this topic the participant will have to speak for a minute. This event is going to be YouTube live featured so that you can watch all the participants who are going to participate in the event. So immediately followed by the Just a Minute competition, we will be having our very first YouTube live webinar by none other than Dr. Satish Kumar, who is a periodontist and also founder of Kaizen Dental. He also runs a YouTube channel named Kaizen Dental. You can also visit the channel after watching this video. So Dr. Satish Kumar is going to mainly talk or describe on the topic dentistry crossroads, right? So dentistry crossroads means he is going to mainly put some light on various career options about or after dentistry and how to make a proper and effective decision making, so which career option to choose, right? So it is a very important aspect as soon as you complete your graduation. So do join us with this YouTube live webinar. So on the very first day from 6 to 7 we have Just a Minute competition, and from 7 p.m. onwards we are going to have a YouTube live webinar. After that we are going to provide you a short break for your dinner, as we are not providing dinner for our participants, right? So after that, after dinner, we are going to meet you again with our second session of YouTube live webinar by Dr. Abhishek Ranjan Pati. You guys might be knowing him with the name of Sai Dental Vlogs. He also runs a channel named Sai Dental Vlogs. He has been a continuous guide for many dental students throughout the year. He has been providing many interesting and knowledgeable videos on his channel. Also, he's going to mainly talk on the topic that is problems encountered by a student during dental graduation, right? So there are many problems, let it be theoretical or practical, on which Dr. Abhishek is going to put some light. So do join us on this YouTube live webinar at 10 p.m. sharp after dinner. It is going to be a very interactive session and interesting because we are going to cover various problems and aspects which you guys face. We have tried to sum up things together in elaborated answers to your problems. So this is the end of the first day, that is 29th May 2021. You have 3 events. First is Just a Minute competition, second is live webinar by Dr. Satish on dentistry crossroads, and third is again a YouTube live webinar by Dr. Abhishek Pati on which is problems encountered by a student during his graduation, a dental student during his graduation. So this was the end of the first day. After the first day we'll meet again on second day, that is 30th May 2021. This is going to be an exciting day also because we have 2 debate competitions which will be happening live on our channel, that is Dentistry to the Point, which will also be judged by national as well as international speakers. So on the second day, that is 30th May 2021, we are going to start at 10 a.m. in the morning with our first event of debate, which is going to be on Is Artificial Intelligence a Threat to a Dentist in Coming Future? Because this is a controversial topic, I thought a debate would be a very good options. So right, we'll have debate from 10 a.m. to 11:30 in the morning, followed by which we'll have a third YouTube live webinar by none other than national as well as international speaker Dr. Rajiv Verma. He is going to talk on a very interesting topic or a very interesting scenario, that is journey from a dentist to a odontist. What are the problems, what are the situations which you are going to face from a dental graduate to a postgraduate. So this is also a power pack live session by an experienced speaker who has been in this profession since 25 to 30 years or more than that, right? So do join us with this YouTube live webinar. The registrations for this YouTube live webinar, which is 30th May by Dr. Rajiv Verma, I'll provide the Google form link in the description box. So please join that webinar, because we are going to provide certificate for this webinar to all the participants. So this event from 10 to 1:30 with debate as well as YouTube live webinar. Again, this is going to be an interesting session. So this was our first half. On the second half of 30th May 2021, we want you to join again at 4 p.m. because that is our second debate competition, that is on is marketing affecting a practice of a successful dentist, right? It is between marketing and quality, or the quality of treatment provided by the dentist. So we have our participants who are going to provide their opinion on this topic. So after this debate competition, we'll have a fourth YouTube live webinar. This is also an super power pack session by none other than Dr. Sujit Pardesi, who is an extensive speaker on how to build your dream dental practice or a millionaire dental practice. So he is going to help you with various tips and tricks so that you can apply if you want to set up a clinic after directly completing your graduation. So this is also an important aspect. After you complete your graduation, you should join this webinar. The link of registration will again be provided, as I'm saying, in the description box. So for both these webinars, we are going to provide certificate for all the participants. So whole event, that is from 29th to 30th, we will be conducting on YouTube live. The fourth webinar by Dr. Sujit Pardesi will be at 6 p.m. in the evening. So from 4 to 5:30 we have a debate competition, that is second YouTube live debate competition, and after that, that is webinar by Dr. Sujit Pardesi. So everything which we have planned is based on dentistry. We only focus on dentistry to make it easier, simpler and interesting. I hope you guys are excited to join us in this 2-day event, that is Dent Art 2021. So see you soon, 6 p.m. sharp tomorrow evening at our YouTube channel, that is Dentistry to the Point live from our side. And if you have not subscribed the channel, go fast and subscribe and do hit the bell icon to know all the updates.